Okay, this is our hot tub, and it's a little low on water. Let's have a look. We're filling it up. Go! So it's a little bit low. It loses water a little bit every day, but it's gonna get below. It's gonna get down in the teens starting tomorrow afternoon. We're calling for snow and wind and down the teens, so it's like a week. So we're filling this hot tub up and turning the temperature down to 80. So no one's going in there when the weather's like that. We just don't want this to get too low and temperatures to be too cold and something to freeze and break more. So just give it some water. So this golf cart is out in the front yard because I had to replace a battery and I wanted to get it parked back here, but it is going to be too wet to drive the golf cart and park it back here, so it's going to have to stay out front. And we'll see how much snow we get. If we don't get much snow and it's down in the teens Fahrenheit, even for an overnight, the first overnight, if we don't get much snow, this will be frozen solid. I can drive the golf cart here and get it parked for, it's supposed to be lake effect snow and 60-mile-an-hour winds and temperatures in the teens, wind chills, you know, near zero. So we like to get things kind of set because I think we're going to be in for a couple weeks of winter here. Which, you know, it's January in Buffalo, New York, so, you know, we're going to get 4 months of winter instead of 6 months of winter. It's been a very light November, December weather-wise. All right, so we had cut these boards like last week, and you can kind of see that these sawhorses are sinking into the ground. I have to put like flat pieces on the bottom so it gives it more surface area so it doesn't sink into the mud, because it's muddy back here a good part of the year. So we want to move these over to here before heavy snows come so they can all sit in rest. So I'm going to clean these up, move these off, bring those over and get them stacked up before sundown. All right, boards are off of there, and we stacked them over here in the back section. We put an extra block down for the long boards, then we restacked the other ones there. So that's what it's going to be. I would like to, you know, it's going to be in the teens, as long as it doesn't snow and cover it in snow too much. You know, it's no mud, no bugs, no allergies when it's 15 degrees outside. But the windshield washer fluid that's used as a lube, is it a lube or is it a coolant? I don't know which it is, but you know, even though it's windshield washer fluid, once it gets dispersed, it starts to freeze on the rails, and then it makes moving the carriage kind of hard. So we'll see. If it's nice out, maybe we'll do some cutting, some sawing, and then I have a space to put some more.